When doing shoulder and neck massage, we need to apply oil first. Interlace the fingers. Use the hypothenar eminence against this position. Push outward to both sides. Then bring them back in. Let's look from a different angle. We can stand in a horse stance position. When the hands are positioned at the back of the neck, squat down. Then lean the upper body forward. Push the hips back. Feel the stretch here. Stretching. When stretching, chest forward and hips back. Try to place the hands across the chest. This gives better leverage. Next, make fists and use the knuckles to push. Work from the entire trapezius to the cervical spine for reinforcement. Now use fists to push along both sides of the spine. Push straight down from the back of the neck. After pushing, do some soothing strokes to relax. Can alternate with single hands, or use both thumbs together pushing outward. Continue relaxing the trapezius and rhomboid muscles. If single-handed pressure isn't enough, use both thumbs simultaneously. Both sides of the spine are also the bladder meridian pathways. Clearing the bladder meridian helps the body detox and improves circulation, and significantly relieves back pain and tension. Next, work on the shoulder blade grooves. When pushing here, there might be a clicking sensation. This indicates blocked meridians. It'll feel much better after clearing. Rotate the hands slightly for reverse pushing. Stack both hands and push from the shoulder down the arm. The next movements need standing coordination. We can do this in a horse stance. Start from the dozui point position. Use both thumbs to push the trapezius. Remember to use body power. Doing it this way gives good leverage without tiring yourself. From the spine all the way to the shoulder blade groove area, the pressure needs to penetrate deeply. When pushing, the hands should be like magnets, firmly adhered to the skin. Follow along and do this several times with me. After finishing, the hands might feel very sore and tired. Now we can use the elbow. Hook it here and push upward. Press down and rotate the elbow. Let the body follow through. Then lift up from under the armpit. Good, relax. Continue repeating this movement. After finishing, push from the shoulder down the arm. Use the elbow joint at the shoulder blade position. Clear the blocked areas. Make sure one side of the elbow stays against the skin. This relaxation technique feels really comfortable. Change the elbow angle for pushing. Use the other hand to assist. Get rid of those clicking sensations. Adjust the angle again. Finally, work the entire shoulder blade.